Dreaming of a quick and easy dinner? Same here. Hi, and welcome to Occasional Fish. Today we're making black bean and cheese enchiladas that are simple, delicious, and guaranteed to add a little spice to your life, all while saving you some time. Let's get to cooking. First, dice up a red onion. No need to be precise, just do a rough chop. Heat a skillet over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once it's shimmering, toss in the onion and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, making sure to stir occasionally. Drain an 8.5 ounce or 150 gram can of corn and add it to the pan. While that's cooking, chop a bell pepper. Any color works here. I'm using red because it's what I had on hand, but you can use whatever you have in your pantry. Add the pepper to the skillet and season with salt and pepper to your taste. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until it's softened. Now drain and rinse a 15 ounce or 400 gram can of black beans. Shake off the excess water and stir them into the skillet. Since they're already cooked, you can just let the residual heat warm them through. Mix everything together and set the pan aside. Now it's time for the sauce. In a bowl or measuring cup, combine 13 ounces or 400 grams of tomato sauce with smoked paprika, cumin, garlic powder, cayenne powder, salt, and pepper to taste. I know it seems like a lot, but spice can really add some flavor. But if you do prefer a shortcut or you don't have all these on hand, taco seasoning works too. There is no judgment here. Mix until smooth because no clumps are allowed. Now's the time to assemble. I'm using a 13 by 9 ceramic baking dish, but you can use whatever you have on hand. Make sure to spray it with some cooking spray or line it with aluminum foil. Aluminum foil sometimes sticks for me, so I prefer to just spray it with the cooking spray. Spoon 3 to 4 scoops of filling into each tortilla and then sprinkle with some shredded cheese. And then you can fold. I fold the long sides first, then the short ends, before flipping them seam side down into the baking dish. Flour tortillas do hold up best, but if you're using whole wheat, make sure to fold carefully because they can be a little dramatic. Repeat this process until all the filling is used up. Pour the sauce evenly over the tortillas, making sure to get into all the little crevices with the back of a spoon. Finally, we're going to top with plenty of cheese. This is your time to go wild. Use as much or as little as you like, no one's judging here. Bake the enchiladas at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Remove them from the oven, serve hot, and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What spices would you add to your enchiladas? Until next time, keep it simple, keep it delicious.